Siemens washer dryer.error code E06 won't finish wash cycle and retains water in drum.any solutions please?
Hiya, E06 is a timeout on draining. Drain the water out again. Take the laundry out. Take the filter out, use a screwdriver to turn the pump impeller through 360 degrees. With the filter out, turn the machine to a drain-only program. Look into the filter and see if the impeller is turning. If it doesn't turn, with the screwdriver, there's something in there jamming it. If it spins freely, should ping round in stages with some resistance, the impeller is broken and you'll need a new pump. If it's turning, take the drain hose off where it connects to the house drains. Check the hose and the connection for a blockage. Let me know what you find. Thanks.
Hi, impeller is turning on drain program. Going to pull machine out to check for blockage but am on my lunch hour so we'll have to do a bit later. Thanks for help so far. Is it usually easy to locate and remove such a blockage?
Hiya, yep, with the filter out, take the drain hose off. Clean the end of the hose and blow down it as hard as long as you can. If it's in a cold room, check for an ice blockage in the hose. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.